Okay guys, today on the channel I'm going to go over how I sharpen the teeth on this, because you know the last video I wrecked this thing bad, very bad. So now that I wrecked it that bad, you'll get to see how I hand file this chain. 325 chain, 3/16 file, brand new. I think steel, I believe it's a steel. Yeah, steel brand, 3-pack. Now I did one side yesterday after work, so I'll show you that. I tell you what, there's going to be a lot's going to have to come off of this. I took a lot of material off to get them back, so here. Look at this thing. I mean, it's bad, and there's the ones I did. Took a lot to get them back. See how much I had to come off compared to that wrecked one. Wrecked, back, wrecked. Good. Can you guys see that? So that's what we're going to do. Watch me file this. This is not a tutorial. This is how I do it. Then we will cut with it. Alright guys, I don't know how well you can see it, but it looks alright. Let me see you right here on this one. Okay, let's do that one. And this is what I do. Now, it's going to take a lot to get this back. In fact, I'm going to let you watch this top plate. It's hard to do this with you guys. I mean, that's pretty good right there. I think I'm satisfied. That's real good. We got butter. Okay, next one. Alright, there's a lot of stuff coming off of here. There it is. There it is. This time I didn't go as aggressive. I'm about equal with the laser line. Since it's oak, I'm going to go a little bit less aggressive on it. I mean, there it is right there. That tooth is done.
.3/16 file, 325 chain. And now I'm removing some material because it was really bad. Really bad. Next one. Yeah, I buried this thing up in that snow and mud. There. That is good. That is good. Next.
Little slight upward pressure, I guess, is what I did. I'm pushing pretty hard. Some people just, at the end, I slow down. I just take a shape at the end. Like right there. That's it. That's it. Alright guys, all I do is finish this chain up and that's it. Let's try this baby out, see what happens. Dope. Alright guys, we're getting the saw warmed up. Let's try out this sharpening. Well, thanks for watching, guys. That's just a little sharpening, how I do it. I'm not sure how everybody does it, but it seems to work for me. It took me quite a while to learn how to do it that way. I set them teeth a little more square than I did angled for hardwood, as you would know. Oh yeah, I got another thing too. I hit 200 subscribers. Let me set you down. I did hit 200 subscribers, guys. So, in lieu of that, I guess I'm going to have a little giveaway. And you're going to get the only things I have. Not one, but two Richie's Outdoor stickers. All you have to do in this video is comment below, and that's it. Comment below, and then I'll, on my next video, I'll put the names in a bucket hat, whatever you want to call it, and draw a winner. So just comment below, and that's all you got to do. And that'll get you 2 stickers if I pick your name. All right, guys, subscribe and like, and we did good on this. Just a quick little video on how I sharpen. Thanks. Catch you next time.